Today we'll be looking at how to find the square root of a number 616,225. This is 616,225. We'll be finding the square root of this particular number without using calculator. Without using a calculator. Yes, you heard what I said, without using a calculator. Now, first and foremost, the solution to this particular question is we'll be using a long division method, but a faster method. So what we simply do is to write out the number 616,225. We'll group 616,225 from the right hand side in twos. The first two we put a comma, the next two we put a comma. Now what do? We simply look for a number that when we multiply it by itself gives us 61. We're looking at this first two now. So 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 8 is 64. So the nearest is 49, which is 7 times 7. Note that if we had used the 64, 8 times 8 to be greater than 61. So that's why we're using 61. That's why we're using 7 times 7, which is 49. 61 minus 49, we have 12. So the next thing we do is to bring down the next two numbers, bring them down. So we have 1262. So what we do is that we look at this 7 up here and double it, and then we put it here. 7 times 7 is 14. We put it here. 7 times 7 times 2 is 14. Now we think of a number, when we put that number here and we also put that number here and multiply it, it should give us 1262 or less. So let's see. If we say 147 times 7, what does that give us? 9. 7 times 7, 49, carry 4. 7 times 4 is 28. If we add, that's 32. 7 times 1, 7 plus 3 is 1029. Let's try 8. 148 times 8. So 8 times 8, 64. We'll carry 6. 8 times 4, 32. And then we add 6, that's 38. So we put the 8s and carry 3. 8 times 1, 8 plus 3, 1184. So that looks close to 1262. So let's use it. So instead of this now, I'll put 8 there. So I put 8 here, and I put 8 here. And I've said that 8 times 148, according to what we have here, is 1184. So we subtract. So we have 2 minus 4, so that will be 12 minus 4. We have 8. We have borrowed 1 from the 6. We have 5. 25 minus 18 is 7. So the next thing is we will double 78. That's now what we are looking at is we are looking at these two. We are looking at this is 7 and 8 now, so it's 78. By the time we double 78, we have 78 times 2. That is 156. 1 156. So we bring the 156 here, we bring down this next two digits. So this is 7825. Now what we do is that, like we did before, what are we going to put here and also put here, such that when we multiply it, it gives us 7825. So let's try 1, 5, 6, 5 times 5. That's 5 times 5, 25. Carry to 6 times 5, 30. Plus 2, 32. Carry 3. 5 times 5, 25. Plus 3, 28. Carry 2. 5 times 1, 7. Plus 2. So 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2, 7. So we have 7825. That means what we have here, what we have here and here will be 5. So 5 times 156. So our answer is 7, 8, 5, as we have solved here. Hope that is clear. Thank you.